Oh my God. Tayo. I knew Charles did not come from a poor family. But I had no idea they were this rich.
Are you serious?
I'm not kidding you. Wow. Look, they are super rich. And you can put that in caps.
Wow.
His parents, uncle, they are so polished. But they are quite nice.
Told ya, you have absolutely nothing to worry about.
Well, generally you were right.
But...
Oh, Tayo. Tayo, you know me. It's just that they want to come visit. And I'm afraid their expectations of Dad might be too high.
What do you mean?
See, it kind of mentioned that Dad runs a website. And they became so excited. And they went on and on about how people were making billions from the internet. Tayo, it's not funny, oh.
I'm sorry. I just cannot imagine anyone thinking that is a billionaire.
Oh. So, you see, that's my fear. I'm telling you. I'm afraid that they might, come and be expecting to meet one super billionaire living in an exotic mansion. Tayo, don't get me wrong, our house is fine, but hey, it's not particularly a mansion. See?
Daddy.
Welcome, Daddy.
Hey. How did it go with Charles?
Oh, Dad, it went well. Very well.
Good.
So you're coming to visit very soon?
Really?
Yes.
We'll make them some barbecue, fish barbecue, chicken barbecue, turkey barbecue. I'll even ask Kunle to come with some of his old Bob Marley records. We are going to jam them. Mark Babensky. Let me quickly call Kunle now. I'll be right back.
Oh, Tayo. I'm dead. Please bury me.
Babensky. I'll make them some fish barbecue, some chicken barbecue, some turkey barbecue, some elephant barbecue.
Stop!
I'm not the one making barbecue. Now relax. I've not even said we will jam them. They will be jammed with the Bob Marley. Yes, you did. I agree you did.
Tayo, can you feel my pulse?
I'm dead.
Tayo.
Sorry. It's late for me, eh? What's so important? What you want?
I'm sorry. I need to ask you something. Wake up now.
What's wrong?
It's about my friend.
Oh, him? What is it?
He wants us to start kissing. But I refused. And he's not talking to me anymore. And he's still seeing another girl. Lucky you then. Lucky me? How can you say I'm lucky? Because now you don't have to worry about if he likes you for you. It's obvious what he's after. And I liked him so much. It was so much fun. It was so much fun. Oh, I know. Don't worry. It's not good for you. Forget him. So, how will I know when a boy really likes me? Okay. First thing first. He wouldn't want you to do anything that you're not comfortable doing. Huh? Then most importantly, he'll be extremely happy spending time with you, doing the littlest, silliest things. Okay? Wow. I hope I find such a guy. Don't worry. You will. Okay? Thank you. Sorry for you. It's okay. Alright, go to bed, okay? Stop thinking about that boy. He's stupid. Good night. Good night, baby sister. Close the door behind you already.
I don't know about all these things Dad is doing, no. How? I'm not sure that they would enjoy such an informal setup. And then Dad had to go and invite Uncle Kunle, of all people.
That was wicked. Trust me.
I'm serious, Ty. This is a far cry from what they'll be expecting.
Oh yeah, I forgot. They were expecting that to be some billionaire who lives on the exotic banana island home of the rich and famous, huh? Shadi, relax, okay? Take it easy. See, let's let these people see us for who we really are. They either love us or they don't. So leave us alone.
I know. But we already know they are conservative people. Don't you think an open-air barbecue, Bob Marley songs, and a DJ who is already half drunk a bit too much?
See, you just have...
Oh, Lord, save me. They're here.
This is my father, Sir Richard Ibile Ibie, Esquire, Grand Knight of St. Monuma.
Good afternoon, sir and madam. You are welcome to our house.
Thank you.
And that's my friend, Kunle Dishinao de Mali.
Yeah, man.
I hope you like Bob Marley. We normally play that when we have these barbecues.
It's okay. Okay. The only thing missing is the marijuana.
What can I offer you? We have whiskey, brandy, wine, beer.
Whiskey will be nice.
Shadi,
Yes, Dad.
get me the red label from my room.
Okay, Dad.
You don't have blue or green label?
Yes, I used to have black label, but it's finished.
Don't bother yourself. My husband likes only green, blue, and XO.
Get them some wine instead.
Okay.
Cabernet Sauvignon or Dom Perignon. It's okay.
Cabernet Sauvignon or Dom Perignon. Get them the right wine from the house.
Okay. Excuse me.
I hear you run a website.
Yes, I run a dating site and we are steadily growing.
Where is your office?
I run it from my house.
You mean your staff members come here every day?
I run it myself.
Sumbo. Oh, Gloria.
Jama! G! G! G!
Oh, Dad. I'm sorry.
For what?
Well, I know the EBs were not particularly easy people to host.
Don't worry, Shadare. I've met a lot of people like that in my life. If it's attitude they want, it is attitude they will get.
I know that, but
Everything's gonna be alright. Everything's gonna be alright now. Everything's gonna be alright. No woman, no cry. Shall I give me my whiskey, dog? Okay. No woman, no cry. No, 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 no woman, no cry. And make it don't carry on. Everything's gonna be alright. Everything's gonna be alright now. Everything's gonna be no woman, no cry. Sure, Rastafari. God bless you, man. I'm going to be the single. Everything's gonna be alright. Everything's gonna be alright now. Everything's gonna be alright. Everything's gonna be alright. Everything's gonna be no woman, no cry. Hey,
How you do?
I'm alright. Are you ready for me?
Just a minute. Trying to confirm the price.
Sumbo, why are you checking for prices of Range Rover?
Because I need to buy one.
I thought we agreed on a Camry.
That was before that man gave me an attitude yesterday.
So, you want to buy a car you can barely afford just because one pompous man displayed his stupidity at your expense?
That pompous man can be my daughter's future father-in-law. So it's important I let him learn to respect me.
Okay, and you think an expensive car will do that?
That's just the beginning of Kunle. Nobody makes Sumbo Shadare look stupid and goes away with it. Let's go. Bumi!
Oh, she's around?
Yeah, she is. A little bit ill. Come and lock the door.
Ah.
You said you had something important you wanted to talk to me about.
Yes, I do.
I hope it doesn't have anything to do with you wanting to beg me to leave Didi for you. Because it will cost you a whole lot more than tears to change my mind.
Oh.
You know what it cost you to have me back?
I know. And that was why I asked you to come over.
Oh, so now you know what's up, right?
Yes, I do.
Great. So let's start with a kiss.
Not so fast, cowboy. I know what's up. And what's up is that you are absolutely irresponsible. You know, at such a young age, to think that the only thing that makes you feel cool
is how many girls you get down with. You know, your mindset about life is whack. As a teenager who still has a long way to go, you should be focused on how to better your life, on how to better yourself educationally and otherwise. I know you can be brilliant even if your grades are 0. But you know what? Take your time and be a better person. You know, think of your parents who must have invested so much into you. And yourself, most importantly. And when the time is right, and you're still bent on going on a kissing frenzy, then you can. Try not to be morally bankrupt, Mr. Romeo, cause this Juliet is not interested in your indecent way of life. See you in school on Monday, and make sure you shut the door behind you. Good luck.
See this one, burgundy and black. I already see myself in it. Just 30,000.
What? 30,000 US dollars? That's over 5 million naira.
Just 5.1.
Don't you think that's too expensive to spend on a car?
Why? Those who drive them about, do they have 2 heads?
No, they don't, but they happen to be richer than you are.
You think I'm a broadcast like you?
Sumbo.
Huh?
You call me a broadcast.
Well, sorry. You shouldn't have said I don't have money.
Okay. I know you make enough money to make your family comfortable. And yes, you need a new car. But that pilot will have been okay for you. You will buy it without stretching yourself.
Look, Kunle, that boy's father, he's an arrogant guy, and he needs to be taught a lesson.
Do you think buying a range spot will teach him a lesson?
Yes. And he would know that I'm as competent as he is.
Well, I don't think a Range Rover Sport will impress a man who lives on the Banana Island.
Then I buy a G-Wagon. AMG.
Okay then, have it your way.
Yes. And really, you should meet her. You guys will get along. And she's just like you.
And what am I like?
A lot of things. You're kind, nice, caring, and appealing to the eyes.
Oh, so that means I'm not pretty, but at the same time, I'm not ugly.
No. Of course you're pretty. You're pretty in a kind of way that calms me.
Interesting.
Yes. And that's why I have to do this.
Do what?